everybody. Hi, everybody.
Oh, how cute was that? Right, guys, today we've got a super big special announcement.
We've got a truck.
We have got a truck.
A fireman truck.
And this fire engine truck is from Playmobil. We are super excited to be working with Playmobil because we are going to be Playmobilologists for the next year. Is that cool, kids?
Let's open this.
Let's open it. That means that we're going to be bringing you lots of Playmobil toys over the next year. So do look out for it. But let's get into our fire truck and show you what it's all about. Right, we've opened up our box and we've got our truck and we've got 2 bags of pieces and lots of instructions to follow. So we think we're going to be busy for a good 10 minutes maybe. We're going to give this a go. We like building things, don't we?
Yeah.
And it's good it's good for girls to build things. Girls should build more things like this. So we're just getting familiar with all the pieces that come with the fire truck, and we've got these, some cones, siren, little walkie-talkie, fire extinguisher, and we've got all the pieces that we're going to be making the truck with.
And we've got a fireman!
And we got a fireman.
It is Brooklyn. Put it in the straw bit there. And we've got the fireman. Keep it there.
So we managed to build our fire truck. Are you going to tell us a few bits about it?
But how does it move very fast? How does it move?
It doesn't seem to have a very good zoom factor. We do like to zoom our toys across the floor, and it's been tested for zooming, and it's perhaps got a little bit too much traction. What do we think to it?
Busy.
Are you busy? Is it all right as a toy?
Yeah.
Yeah? So let's have a look at the fireman. Is he sitting in his cab?
Yes.
Okay.
In the seat.
Okay.
And show you.
Now he does have... Oh, right, we're just taking it apart again. It does have lights and action, and unfortunately, the batteries aren't included. So, and we haven't got the size. Right, okay, so let's just go around this truck. If you like fire trucks, this could be the fire truck for you. With your fireman and your lights, your boots, where you can put all your equipment. And we built it, didn't we? Was that fun?
Yeah.
Okay.
I love building it.
You love building it. That's good. That's good.
And we can take it apart and then we can build it again.
Yeah. Okay, so what do we say to everybody?
Bye-bye. See you later. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching.